Right now, without writing a single line of code, you can build a digital version of yourself, a clone that looks like you, moves like you, and can deliver your message on screen while you focus on other things. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a few minutes of your time. No studio, no fancy gear, just a platform called HeyGen. HeyGen is one of the most powerful tools available for creating hyper-realistic AI avatars. It lets you upload a short video of yourself, and from that, it builds a digital version that's nearly indistinguishable from the real you. You can use it for educational videos, business presentations, social media content, or just to explore the future of communication. And it all starts with a free account. Once you've signed up, the process is straightforward. You'll find a menu on the left where you can click on Avatar, then select Create New Avatar. Among the different options, the one you want is Hyper-Realistic Avatar. This is what makes your clone feel truly personal. It uses your real face, your gestures, and your voice patterns as the foundation. Now comes the most important step, recording your base video. This is the material the AI will learn from, so the better your video, the better your avatar. Take a few moments to set up your space. Use the best camera and microphone you have access to. Make sure your face is evenly lit. Nothing fancy, just avoid shadows and harsh backlight. Look straight into the lens, don't overthink it. Speak as you normally would. You'll want to record at least 2 minutes of footage, though 4 to 5 minutes is ideal. That gives HeyGen enough data to learn from your facial expressions, blinking, head movements, and speaking style. It's not about perfection, it's about clarity and authenticity. Once you upload the video, HeyGen processes it and transforms it into your digital twin. It doesn't take long, and when it's done, you'll see your avatar sitting there in your dashboard, ready to deliver whatever you write. Type a script, and it will speak, automatically, smoothly, with lip sync and movement that looks eerily like the real you. The first time you see it in action, it's hard not to be impressed. You didn't record that message, but it feels like you did. Your clone is doing the work, and that opens up all kinds of possibilities. Saving time on content, creating at scale, reaching people in different time zones, without burning yourself out. But there's one piece missing. While your avatar now looks like you, it still doesn't sound quite like you.
Juan Velez Arango, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
The voice is synthetic. It works, but it's not your voice yet. Because in the next class, we're going to take it a step further. I'll show you how to instantly clone your voice so that your avatar doesn't just move like you and look like you, but actually speaks with your real tone, rhythm, and expression. That's when it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like a second version of you. We're just getting started.